What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Oh my gosh, you guys, the sweetest woman ever that works here. She stocks everything in this location, and she just brought this box over to share with you guys. Now, she just took the things out of the box and she said, I'll come back and hang everything up and make it nice and neat, but she just emptied this box so I could share all of these items with you guys. We have so many new items. We have these, if you guys watched my last video, these are the Kiss nail stickers. You guys, we get 40 in a box. You guys know these cost a lot more than $1 or $1.25 if your store has gone up in prices. These cost a lot more than $1 everywhere else. So we have options from Kiss, and then we also have this one, really bright, 28 in a box. Okay, and then we have this brand Fingers, and these have a really nice texture to them. 16 in a package. 16 in a package. Now these haven't been taken out of their packs yet. Most of them are like, I don't know, 4 or 5 in a pack. We also have the butterflies by Fingers. We have the silver, glitter, and green. We also have the animal print. Let's see, what other ones do we have? We have this one here. It's like a pink foil and black. We also have silver, 22 in a pack. We also have the black and white. The black and white is really cute. It's like kind of cute and artsy. Let's see, am I missing any? These are really cute. I think I'm gonna get another one of these. These would be cute little gifts. Super cute if you wanna do like a quick little manicure. Just remember to file your nails first so they stay on. I'm gonna grab that one. Yep, those came straight out the box, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get another one of these. Wow, that was exciting. You guys check out my last video if you want to see the brand new color changing mood lip balms. We have a few to choose from. The packaging is so cute. Let's go down and look at some hair stuff. I had a request for spray lotion, but I haven't seen any in my location yet. And if you guys haven't come across these yet, keep looking for them. These are the Bubble Cakes by Body and Earth. These go for $7.99 everywhere else. We also have the little dupe for pet eggs if you're looking for some last minute stocking stuffers. These items over here would make really nice little stocking stuffers or little $1 gifts as well. Heel to toe foot scrub and foot lotion. We have these little bath salts to choose from. We also have hand creams. We have, oh, this is the one. Maybe this is the one the person was asking about. So this is a spray lotion. It's a hydrating lotion mist by Bolero. We have primrose pomegranate. We have lavender and cedar leaf. And then I think we actually have a total of 4 different scents, but my store just has the 3. We also have water lily cucumber. And then it looks like we have some men's shave cream and aftershave in cedarwood and eucalyptus. We also have a hand lotion in water lily and cucumber. These would all make excellent stocking stuffers or little gifts. This is a little milk elixir. This is honey and turmeric root. Has anyone tried that? I love trying the serums from here. We also have the little jelly masks, the acai berry and hyaluronic acid. Little earrings.
the office. Julie to the office. Thank you.
These are the little shaker brushes. Super cute. We also have the lemonade. So 2 varieties of shaker brushes. Oh, the bonnets are back. Birdy has had some of these in the past. I think Birdy has used certain hair products that made a little bit of the color bleed. So definitely look out for that if you're choosing a colorful bonnet. I don't remember which products made the fabric bleed. I think some hair supplies are really strong because, you know, I use Let's Jam on my hair. That's like one of my all-time favorites that I like to use, and I've been using a really long time. And sometimes it will like make my nail polish kind of gummy. These are new, by the way. And so if I've just painted my nails, I try to like wash my hands right away, because something about that product, it'll just like eat through nail polish. So cute. Cute little headbands. Super cute. Aww. Satin head wraps. These were on display with some of the other new hair supplies and the hair spirals. Ooh, what are these? Cozy socks by the brand Royal Deluxe. It's not a Greenbrier brand. And look at this, you guys. We have brand new peanut socks. It says Greenbrier on the back. Super cute. It says Dream Big. Ooh, look at this little pack. These are so cute and they feel so nice. You guys, the quality on these feels so amazing. I wish you guys could feel them right now. Like, I am super impressed. Like, this just feels like such a nice quality sock, and I'm not being extra. Like, they really feel nice, you guys. We also have this variety. Ooh, these are so nice. So nice. And then we have this variety as well. We have some new socks from Juncture this week. These are just 1 to a pack. But feel these, you guys. These are like super silky and nice. Wow, I'm impressed. We also have this variety down here. Aw, those feel good. Those feel really good. And then we have Mickey Mouse socks. We'll end off with the socks right here. We also have these brand new ones, the fashion knee highs. We have the beautiful butterflies. We have cupcakes. We have rainbows and raindrops, I guess. And then we have the little alpacas here. That's it for this video. We'll start right here and finish up in the very next video. So definitely come back to the very next one. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.